Behind the scenes of the rocket launches.
A lot of duct taping. It's a redneck rocketry.
Okay.
Don't be that kid that blew off his nose. Run. It's catching on fire.
Dude, I don't even know if I got all 3 fuses shot.
Freaking idiot.
I know I have at least 2.
Oh my. That was a fail.
Stomp out the grass.
Hey, give me all snack. You just send it to me.
Behind the scenes of the rocket launches. Or as they say on YouTube, BTS.
What's this, Sam?
Red Path said.
I'm bad at guesstimating. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, he prevailed.
Daddy! Boy!
Boy!
Let's go!
That's what happened last time.
Behind the scenes, we got a whole bunch of rocket pads. We're setting up a rocket. You're up there. Grab the scotch tape! So we're just working. 1, 2.
I could get my microphone going and we could make this a full YouTube video.
Behind the scenes, put it on. Don't put it down all the way. Okay, that's a little bit more down. Good.
Yeah, back up. Let's do this thing.
Come on.
Ready? Run!
Go, 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 go.
Not good enough. That's in the trees. That might hit them. Hey. Today we're doing a rocket launch. So today we got a small little rocket. We got a C-class engine in there with about a 6-inch fuse. Should be about 15 seconds with the tip. So this is falling off. And no, that's good because I don't want to turn it into a missile. We got a little bit of Alex here, Sam, Caleb behind the camera, and I'm Brennan. Today, this is going 1,200 feet up. Let's launch it. Okay.
Ready, Sam? Yeah.
Let's launch this. Get closer to see the light. Hear the sound of this.
Bro.
About 5 seconds. Let's see. Until it goes up. Told ya.
Still alive! Ah!
Yo, here's a nose cone. And then I have
Okay, we're being very dangerous right now.
I'm watching it.
Okay, that's fine.
Can I launch it? Wait, what video? Right? Is the microphone going? Okay, so we're gonna launch another rocket. It has an A-class in there. There's no nose cone. Sam's launching it with a. Let's get ready to run. Sam's launching it. She's gonna aim it right at us. So now, as you see, the fuse has been lit.
Weatherman, get out of there!
So now, right behind me, it's gonna go. Ready? Fuse fell out.
Attempt number 2.
fuse that's not working. So we're taking a little tiny piece of tape. So now we're sliding out the hole down the pole, and so now Sam's gonna launch it and run away for our lives. Get a better angle. Oh shit! Broke my hand. So I just broke my hand. I want to. It's right behind me. Can you see it? So now I hope the fuse doesn't fall out again. And
Oh shit!
oh, that smells so bad.
You have an eye.